What's good, it's poppin' YouTube family? We back with another reaction video. Ooh, my voice cracked. Pack it up. Going through puberty again, pack it up. But no, we got Canary. That's such a... I can see it. I can see it. Because Friv and Canary are badasses. You know what I'm saying? It's just... like, take away, you know, the fro. And, you know, the complexion. They both bad. I can see Char being a real life Canary. I can see it. Char be violent. Not as funny. No, you know. I ain't even gonna say all that. But I can see Friv doing, like, if they do like a live action, well, we don't need no more live action, but they do a live action Hunter. Char, perfect fit. Perfect fit. But yeah, and you know, Tyler Clock, you feel me? Yeah, we ain't gonna leave my boy out. Y'all know what time it is. Y'all know what time it is. We got another really shower banger. So what I need y'all to do is go to the description, because both the channels gonna be linked down below along the rest of the video. Make sure you go show them some love. Because if you don't, I'ma find you. You know what I'm saying? That's just me though. You may not want me to do it, but it just... I might find... Nah, I ain't gonna... I'm just rambling. Come on. I already know they're finna turn me up, so let's go.
Tyler, you made this?
Oh, Tyler got a new tag?
Tell me, is you my friend or my enemy?
Okay.
We fly high.
Hey.
In the sky.
Hey.
Don't ask me why. Cause I don't feel the same.
She didn't have the meet and go.
They say blood is thicker than water, but a friendship like this is something uncharted. I would shed blood, I'd let it deplete to save a pure soul, then rinse, repeat. Ain't say who's
blood, water, rinse, repeat. Yeah, that's hard.
So it's handpicked, check the accomplishments. Step into the state, you like competence.
Step into the state, you know who got it.
Bring the whole squad, bring the game, bring the bossy. Even with the edge, I still even at the Aussie. Do it quite saucy, bossy. 100 men at the age of 10, defeated them, make it one a man. If I'm merciful, now you're blacklisted. Can't you see that I'm built different? Standing to me is a tall order. Bruised out with a taller shorter from media city, so I'm rock hard. A fireball, but I move smart. From the trenches to a mansion, very well could have been a phantom if I'm candid. But those days have gone to depart. You wanna show love, you go straight for the heart.
She talking.
Who wanna go there? Who wanna go? Who wanna go there?
Come on, Sarah.
Telling me
everything. Is you my enemy? The energy. High in the sky. Tell me what, don't ask me why.
I
Don't feel the same.
I can bag that. Word is fine and I'm in that. Got no time for bleak chit chat. Suppress my feelings, no F that. I'm past that. Loyal to the soil, I'll show you how I am doing things. High risk, high reward like the name. It's time to spread my wings. Got the dog in
like my name spread my wings.
What type of time is she on as far as that child's play? Huh? You don't wanna know the answer, but my rod strikes like lightning. It's frightening how quick I catch on. Melatonin fist, it's crazy how hard I'm slept on. My enemies.
Cause the rhythm echo.
Where she at? There she go.
Give the rhythm echo.
You can test the gate, but you can't test the best.
Cause you can't test the gate. Let me tell me everything. Is you my enemy?
Trying to dish on the foes and I like
Send the best energy. Come on. Hold on, nah, we running the court. Hold on. Oh my god, hold on, I'm knocking stuff down. Nah, that, hey, come on, hold on. Nah, we ain't, hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, Sorry, got me knocking stuff down. Hold on. No, I need that. I need that. Oh, I almost knocked something over. I need that chorus. Hold on, I need that.
Tell me. Is you my friend or my enemy? Crying in this, the foes and the lies will make energy.
We fly high in the sky. Tell me what, don't ask me why. 'Cause I don't feel the same.
Check it out. I can bad responding. I'm
That's Cause we fly high in the sky. Oh, this is amazing. Oh, this was fire. I love it. Oh, I love it. Had to put that on the playlist too. That's yeah. Like, oh, that's fire. Oh, that's so fire. Oh, that's fire. Hey, nobody can't tell me nothing. Man, can't tell me nothing. I will argue to the death. If anybody says it's not hard, I'll argue to the death. I don't care. That is so good. I don't care. Shower and Tyler Clark channel gonna be linked down below. Along the rest of the video. Make sure you go show us love right there. That's a great song for Black History Month. Yeah, let's get it. That's a great song too. Hey, I'm gonna catch y'all next week. That's tough.